Hi everyone. Now I know things are looking tough as this pandemic is spreading around the world, but there is hope. I have got a fantastic plant-based food that I am going to show you how to make, which will keep your family fed and healthy during this crisis. I'm Claude Woodward, and years ago as a young musician I wanted to find cheap and easy meals without meat. Now I've fine-tuned this recipe over about 30 years and now I'm offering it to you. It's vegan, it's gluten-free and has up to 20 inexpensive and unprocessed ingredients, which has everything the body needs. Now there's a unique two-step process to create the Viva loaf. It's made from grains, beans, legumes and basic veggies. It can be flavoured in many different ways. Do you like chili, herbs, curry? Viva can be flavoured in any way you like. Each batch can be unique. Now it can be a versatile loaf which once cooled can be sliced and stored in your fridge or freezer. You can pull out just enough to create your meal. Now this is a nutrition goldmine. All the ingredients can be stored in just a cool, dry place so you can have meals for many months. So we've been doing workshops here in Perth, Western Australia, but we thought to get it out to the greater world that we put it online. So we're doing an online course which will teach you how to make this basic Viva loaf and then turn it into all sorts of great dishes. Dishes like curry, cottage pie, sweet and sour beer battered Viva balls, sushi, burgers and snacks like Vigalets with dips and so forth. We have a Facebook and Instagram page called the Viva Experience, so please like us on those. Now look, we're passionate about trying to get everyone to eat well, especially in this current crisis, so this is a great way for you guys to all come together. We want to build an online community so people can interact, people can share recipes. I hope this is going to be a help to you in the coming months. Download the checklist and start collecting your ingredients today. Stay safe, everyone.